I just made a video on Microsoft Excel Copilot using Agent to clean up your data. I made it just last week. I'm actually making it again, not because that video was bad, that video was great, but watch what M365 Copilot in Excel will do now. And by the way, agent mode is now called Edit in Copilot. But wait till the very end. So this is going to go fast. Go click on Copilot. I am in the desktop version. Click on Tools, and I'm going to go what was called Agent Mode is now called Edit with Copilot. This is not just in my Excel. I have it in Word, and I have it in PowerPoint. Edit with Copilot. You don't want to watch me type a prompt. This is the same prompt I used last week. I've got a lot of extra spaces in column F. I've got misspelled words in column D. I got all uppercase in column C. I need to put that in there too. I had to go tell it to fix the misspelled words also. So there's my prompt over there. And you're saying, Chris, you just did this, right? Yeah, I did. And again, you can swap here between GPT 5.2 or Claude. I'm just going to leave it on auto for this example. Send it off. I'm going to continue without saving. I did not get that last week, and I'm going to tell you why in 1 second. Okay, the changes have been applied by Copilot. I'm not going to sit here and go through them all, but you can see it fixed the proper case. It's letting me know. Number 2, it fixed the date format. Number 3, it fixed the purchases to date, which I wanted accounting in 0 decimals, and I see accounting in 0 decimals. It fixed all the misspelled words, and I'm going to hit done. Perfect. My worksheet looks great now compared to how it looked before. And in case you're saying, Chris, you just made this video, why did you do it again? Just to tell us that agent mode is now edit with Copilot? Well, no, but that is important. The reason I did it is if I come up here and hit save and click up here, this file is not saved in my OneDrive or in a SharePoint site. This file is a local file. It is actually sitting in my downloads. You can see that right here. So no OneDrive was involved, no SharePoint was involved. You can now use Edit with Copilot on local files, local Excel files on your computer. Great feature here. I'm really enjoying this. Let me know what you think about this. I appreciate your time. Have a wonderful day.